How to fix your story is blur on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, scroll down to the Preferences tab and then tap on the Media option you see there. Here, under the Video Quality tab, make sure the Optimized option is selected, and if you have selected the Data Saver mode, then go ahead and disable the Data Saver mode. Now, restart the app and try again. And if your issue is still not fixed, then launch the Settings application on your device and tap on the Camera option. Here, make sure your camera is set to 1080p or higher for photos and videos, and it is set to 60 fps or 30 fps for videos. See if that helps, and if not, then make sure that you are not uploading screenshots or zoomed photos, as screenshots and zoomed photos lose the quality. Next, go ahead and launch the Settings application again and tap on Cellular and make sure Low Data mode is disabled. Also, go back to Settings and tap on Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected to a strong internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then in Settings again tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, navigate to Facebook and make sure to tap on the Offload App option. Offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Also, make sure that the Facebook application is updated to its latest version for the app to perform smoothly. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix your story is blurry on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.